Hi, this is Rajesh Ramchandran, and this feedback is for Anand Vyas, who conducted the Python Bootcamp. Um, my feedback is it was a very informative class on the Python module, Python programming language. Um, um, I definitely say it was a very good jump start for anybody very new to the program. The hands-on exercises that were done kept the class actively participating, as well as the concepts were crystallized in our minds because of those hands-on exercises. Then the post lunch session, the packages, the data processing packages like NumPy and Lambda, and the examples given thereof also was very informative and definitely stirred more interest in the topic. And finally, the application of this entire day's work in the last 1 hour or half an hour was definitely what I was looking for as a project manager. What I'm looking for is the difficulties in the application of these new technologies by the technical team, and congratulating with the Anand on this very good presentation. What I would request him and his team to come up with is some sort of a quick 3 hour program for managers, be them project managers, be they project managers, team managers, or even VPs of technologies who are planning to implement some sort of technology digital transformation type projects, to come up with what are the typical challenges they face, or the questions they hear from students, or what they anticipate would be the difficult challenges technically for a team that is implementing these type of projects, and how what general advice or general suggestions would they like to give to the class participants, where I see most of them being some managers. So what I'm looking for at a high level is, yeah, yes, all these technical classes are good, they're required because we need people who can work hands on, but I also would like them to come up with some courses for managers to sort of take it at a higher level, and sort of explore the different difficulties one usually faces in these areas. Thanks. This is my feedback, and I would like to also in the future have be very happy if I attend another class with Mr. Anand Vyas. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.